Hello everyone, today we'll be making lemonade using a very simple recipe. This recipe calls for 4 cups of water, 1 cup of ice, half a cup of sugar, 1 lime, and a few mint leaves. Start by slicing the lime in half. Then from there, slice a circular cross-section from each half. Then using a lemon squeezer, place the pulp side down of 1/2 of the lime and squeeze it into the 4 cups of water. Do the same thing for the other half of the lime. Then you'll take the sugar and add it to the water-lime mixture. Then stir thoroughly. Then to cool down the lemonade, you'll add some cubes of ice. Then take a circular cross-section of the lime and cut halfway through, from the center to the outside. You'll do the same for the other cross-section. Then place the mint leaves in a mortar and pestle and add a little bit of sugar to it. The sugar makes it much easier to grind the mint leaves. Then start grinding the mint leaves and the sugar. Then take a glass and then pour the lemonade into it. If you want, you can add some more ice cubes to your lemonade, because by now the previous ice cubes would have melted. Then take the ground mint leaves and sugar and scoop it into the lemonade. Then stir the lemonade thoroughly. Then take the circular cross section and slide the cut part through the rim of the glass. So this is the final product, a simply made lemonade. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.